Hi mga kapaps, so for our third tutorial activity is we are installing Ubuntu OS. Okay, so first is we open Google Chrome, and then search Ubuntu, and just click this download Ubuntu desktop. Okay, just click in and you will see I'm gonna click this download button for our ISO. Okay, and just wait. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so open our VMware. First, create a visual machine. Okay, next, and click this, and I'm gonna click this Linux, so version Ubuntu. Next, so tingin ko tong default, so just next again. So store single file. Okay, so next, and then so customize, so just default that processor 1, so that, and okay, so close, and just click finish. Okay, so and I'm gonna click this edit virtual machine. So SATA ISO, so CD or tong SATA or tong DVD, to click browse for our ISO Ubuntu. Go to the download, and then click this one, then open, and then click OK. So power on this visual machine. All right. Just wait again, over again and again. So just click this, just click enter, install Ubuntu. Enter, select OS E2. So just click E. Press enter. Dito. So just click E. So so for this portion, so just click English and click this install Ubuntu. Okay. Just continue for our keyboard layout US and English, of course. And then for this one is click normal installation, download, of course, other option, and this click this one, install the third party. Okay, click the two checkbox, continue, and prepare Ubuntu drivers. And just click install now. Okay. And so click this continue. Okay, don't worry of this if you are challenged. So just click continue for so we are here in Manila. Okay, continue. Name is Daniel. So Daniel, and then our password is Cocomelon. Cocomelon 123. Okay. Let me check. So let me check. Cocomelon 123. Of course. Cocomelon 123. So continue. The installation is complete. So and let's start our computer. Let's click the restart now. Okay. click this. So the password the password is Cocomelon. So, yun yung password na kinrate po natin. Cocomelon 123. This is the password. So just click enter. And then it's done. Skip, skip, and then next. Done. Okay, so that's all for this the end of our third tutorial activity, the installation of Ubuntu. So thank you mga kapaps.